Welcome to Vet Fraternity. In this video, we are going to talk about conjunctivitis and episcleral injection. Conjunctivitis is inflammation of mucous membrane conjunctiva surrounding the eye. The clinical signs for conjunctivitis are red eye, as you can see in this image, blepharospasm, which is involuntary blinking or like spasm of the eye, that the eyes keep on closing. Ocular discharge, that is going to be serious to mucopurulent. Chemosis. Chemosis is basically swelling of the eye. So not the eyes, rather swelling of the conjunctiva. Then we have also a separate video on chemosis. You can watch that. Then we have hyperemia. And last but not the least, there is an important point you should remember because chlamydia and feline herpes virus, they also cause they are one of the important eye diseases of the cats. So we will study these diseases in detail in separate topics, but here you should remember that in a case of chlamydia, the conjunctiva typically starts unilaterally and becomes bilateral within 2 weeks. But when it comes to feline herpes virus 1, there is keratitis seen in cats, but keratitis is rare with chlamydia felis. You can see this image. This is the whole conjunctiva. Its inflammation is going to be conjunctivitis. Now, the difference between conjunctivitis or conjunctival hyperemia versus episcleral injection, because in both the eyes look reddish, and the difference between these two is that the conjunctival hyperemia, in this case, conjunctival vessels are small in diameter and have branching pattern. So you can see these are small and have branching, lot of branching happening in this case. But episcleral injection has, like in this case, the vessels are larger in diameter and are non-branching. You can see the main vessels are going straight forward, not much of the branching. Also, conjunctival vessels are all mobile and will blanch after topical application of phenylephrine and epinephrine. What does that mean? That these vessels are mobile, they can move, and if you apply like phenylephrine or epinephrine, these vessels are going to get shrink, they are going to get blanch. But the case is reversed in the episcleral injection. Uh, in episcleral injection, the vessels are like non-mobile and they do not blanch quickly after application of topical phenylephrine or epinephrine. So this is the marked difference between these two situations, because you are going to see some diseases with conjunctivitis and some with episcleral injection. There is another third thing that is called as subconjunctival hemorrhage, because in that case you will also see the eye is red. For that, I have made a separate video. You can watch that. That's it. Thank you so much.